Hello everyone, and welcome to another session of this course. And in this session, we are going to be building and programming a traffic light. The materials for this session are displayed already. We have LED strip, a ring bit, a microbit, and screws to connect the microbit to the ring bit with the help of this screwdriver. So let's run through the names of these bricks. This is called a 1x15 beam. The 15 comes from the fact that there are 15 holes here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the one there comes from the fact that it is just one column. So 1 column by 15 holes, 1 by 15 beam. This is a 1 by 2 beam. 1 from the fact that it's just one column, and then 2 holes. This 1 by 5 beam, you already know why. This also is a 1 by 5 beam. It's often referred to as thin 1 by 5 beam because in comparison with this one is thinner while this is thicker. This is a H-shaped beam, so it's often referred to as 3 by 5 perpendicular H shape. 3 from the fact that we have 1, 2, 3 here, and 5 from the stem because we have 1, 2, 3, then 4, and then 5. So 3 by 5 perpendicular. So from whatever angle you're looking at it, 3 by 5 perpendicular. Perpendicular because they meet with this stem at 90 degrees. This is often referred to as L-shaped 3 by 5 also. So this one is H-shaped, while this is L-shaped. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a frame. These are pins, while these are 3L pins. Ones can connect just 2 beams, while these ones can connect up to 3 beams. So now let's build the model of the traffic light. So the first thing we want to do is to pick a frame and connect 3 pins on this side and also here. Good. We're also going to do the same for this. Good. So let's pick two 1 by 15 beams. So, and then we're going to do this one on this side and the other here. And this one here. And this. So note that there is a space between both frames. Both frames are not in contact. There's a space between them. So we're going to put 2 pins here and here. Then we'll pick one more 1 by 15 beam, and then like this. So we've gotten a base for our traffic light stand. Let's now build the stand. So we're going to pick this H-shaped beam, and then like this, we're going to connect pins here and here. Then also for this, so we come back to the stem and then we connect this to this part here, like this, and here. So we're going to get two pins and then place it here and here. Like this. And then the L-shaped beam goes this way. And this. So we'll pick another 1x15 and then drive it through here. Stop here. So we'll pick the 3L pins. So watch how I do it. Don't put it like this. It's not going to go in. So you're going to turn it the other way, and then it has to pass through this, and then hold this beam. So we're going to add one more. So these two are holding this beam from this side, while two more are going to hold the beam again from this other side. So we're going to get the 1x2 beams and then use it here. And also here. So we're going to get two of these 3L pins and one here. Then what, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you pick the 1x5 beams and then here and then here. So we have the traffic light stand. Almost there. So we're going to take these two 3L pins and then place one here, this way, and another one here. So we're going to get this 3L pin, sorry, this thing 1x5 thing, and then like this. Right? So we have the model of our traffic light stand. Now we are going to wrap the LED strip here around this area, and the micro bit and the ring bit are going to be here. Let's get into that. Now we are going to connect the micro bit to the ring bits with the help of these screws. We have that already. Now the next thing we want to do is to insert batteries to the ring bits. So we are going to wrap this strip around this, like this way. The LEDs are numbered. So starting from the LED closest to the male end, this LED is numbered 0, while this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. So we are going to wrap this strip around this stem in such a way that this female end is at the back, while the male end is at the front. And then while wrapping that, we make sure that the fourth LED is at the front. So while doing that, we make sure that from LED 4 to LED 5, 9, from LED 4 to LED 9, they are at the front, while LED 3 to LED 0 are at the back. Well, that's points. So you rewind it carefully so you don't spoil or cut the wire. So we've wrapped it now. Connect that here. Let's make this stand properly. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to program the traffic lights. So I'm on my browser already, and I'm just going to come to the search bar and enter makecode.microbit.org. I'm in already. I'm just going to come to new project and give our projects the name traffic lights, then create. Now we will need an extension that will help us control the LED to be able to display the colors of the traffic lights. And the name of that extension is called NeoPixel. So come to extensions and then just right here, the fifth extension, as you open the extension page here, so click on it. And we wait while the extension loads up. Now we will need to initialize the LED. We need to assign it to a pin so that it gets ready to work. So we'll come to NeoPixel here. This very first block, set straight to NeoPixel pin P0. Drag it out and place it inside the start block. Right now, we are going to change. Let's leave it at P0. So the LED is going to be has to be connected to pin P0 for it to work. If you connect it on P1 or pin 2 or P2, it's not going to work. So it has to be connected to P0. With this, we have assigned the LED to a pin. So we can change this 24 to just 3 because we need just 3 LEDs up. Now, let's program the sequence of the lights. So the first light that comes up in the traffic light is the red. So we can drag this program for this here first. So it's the red. So we'll come to more and drag this out. Set pixel color at 0 to red. So we can place this here. So here is going to be 4. The LED 4 is going to be red. So the LED 4 is going to have the color red. So set the LED 4 to red. Now we want the LED 4 to show the color we've assigned to it. So we'll come to NeoPixel and drag out strip show and place here. So after showing it, we want the red light to come up for just 5 seconds. So we'll come to basic, scroll down, and we'll drag out pulse milliseconds 100. So 1,000 milliseconds makes 1 second. So we change this to 5 seconds. So we have 5,000 milliseconds here. So it's going to wait for 5 seconds then before it goes out. Then we'll drag out this strip clear from NeoPixel and place it here.
So we are going to follow this format for the remaining lights, that's yellow and green. So for the yellow, we'll come to more here and we drag out set pixel color 0 to red. So now this is going to be 5. So LED 5 is going to have yellow. Then the yellow, then the LED 5 should show the color assigned to it. Then pause for not 5 seconds this time because the yellow light doesn't last as long as the red and the green last. It doesn't last that long. So it lasts for a shorter period of time. So let's work with 2 seconds. And after that, we're going to clear. So for the green, the same thing. So let's duplicate this forever block. And the reason is because we want to get this one here, we want to get it from it. So we can take this out and then we'll just fix this here and edit. It's that simple. So change this 4 to 6, then the red to green. So the green is going to be on for 5 seconds. Then after the green comes up, it's going to go back to yellow for 5. That's going to last for 2 seconds. So that's for the traffic light. That's the code.